Hello and welcome to another video. There's a lot of excitement surrounding lithium right now. The lithium price skyrocketed by nearly 500% in 2022. The rise is particularly because lithium demand from the electric vehicle industry is growing at twice the rate of lithium production. So amidst this, there are two potential stocks you need to look for. Now, there are plenty of reasons to invest in lithium mining stocks, especially which have operations within the US, because the US is in a rush to find lithium deposits because of the EV megatrend and energy security. The US announced a 10-year strategy in 2021 to encourage more domestic mining endeavors. Recently, the Biden administration also advocated for a mining boom to enhance the nation's energy security. So naturally, the US mining companies will get a boost, rising their stock prices. Two such stocks to look for are Albemarle Corp and Lithium Americas Corp. Now, first let's talk about Albemarle Corp. It has a market cap of $11.2 billion, and which is highest in the sector. It has two main business units, one of which is energy storage, which focuses exclusively on lithium-ion batteries and energy transition. Since Albemarle is expanding its role in domestic production, I believe it is well prepared for the expected rise in lithium prices. The company's share price is down more than 33%. However, this makes it an attractive buy as the price can increase by 57%. Next, we have Lithium Americas Corp. It has just made an important bet on its maturity ownership of Thacker Pass, which is one of the largest lithium deposits in the US. The US Department of Energy approved a $2.3 billion loan to Lithium Americas. This is an excellent news for investors since the government thinks that Thacker project, which is anticipated to begin construction in 2027, would be profitable. LSE is trading at a mere $2.6, which is super cheap given the company's prospect. So buying and holding will definitely pay off. I hope you like this video, and if you do have any questions, do let me know in the comments below.